Hello friends, welcome to Fun Learning. I hope you all are doing well and also are enjoying our maths videos on squaring of numbers ending in different digits. Well, we've done a lot of videos with squaring of numbers ending in 5, 6, 7, 9, 1, etc. So benefit from these videos and also like and subscribe to our channel so that you're notified of the new videos that we put up. Well, in this session, I'm going to walk you through a quick tip or quick method on how to calculate squares ending in number 2, and we will also see how this formulation reflects on the squares ending in number 8, which is the number bond for 2 to reach 10. So let's go and see how this method is and use it in our calculation.
So now we look at squaring numbers ending in 2. So let's take a number ending in 2. Let's start with 32 square, which is equal to 32 times 32. And now let's find out how much this is equal to. So let's go with our method for this solution. So now let's bring 32 onto our focus and let's see where is its nearest 10. So that nearest 10 is on 30, which is 32 minus 2. Now let's consider 32 to be n, which will be easy for our formulation. Now to come to the answer for squaring of numbers ending in 2, we need to complete 2 steps and then we'll come to the final solution. So let's look at step 1. Now step 1 needs us to find the nearest 10 for 32, which will be equal to 32 minus 2, that is n minus 2, and then squaring of it. So let's see what that turns out to be. So 32 minus 2 would be 30, and then we'll square this. Now squaring of a number ending by 10 is easy. We look at the zeros first and add the 2 zeros in the end, and then we square the number in the tens digit, that is 3 here. So 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 900. Now let's compute our step 2, which requires us to add 32 to its nearest 10 and then double it. So this is 2 times n, which is 32, plus n minus 2, which is 30. So this will be equal to 2 times 32 plus 30, which is equal to 2 times 62, and that's equal to 124. Now that we have got this, all we need to do is add step 1 and step 2 together. So our answer would be 900 plus 124, which is equal to 1024, and that is the square of 32. You work it out on calculator and you'll agree with me. Let's look at another example of a number ending in 2. So let's take a slightly bigger number. So now it's 72 square. This is equal to 72 times 72. Well, let's not do this big calculation but go with a quick method to get this answer. So if we look at the number line, 72 is 2 nodes away from 70. So let's call 72 to be n, and to reach to its nearest 10, that is 70, we need to do n minus 2. Now we need to complete 2 steps to come to this answer. So let's do our step 1, which needs us to go to the nearest 10 of 72, that is by doing n minus 2 and then squaring it. So this will be equal to 72 minus 2, that is 70 square, which is equal to 70 times 70. And the way to solve it is look at the zeros, add the zeros first, and then square of 7, that is equal to 49. So 4900 is our answer to step 1. Let's look at step 2, which needs us to add n and n minus 2, that is 72 and 70, and then double it, that is multiply by 2. So it's 2 times n plus n minus 2, which is equal to 2 times 72 plus 70, that is 2 times 142, which gives us 284. And now to come to the final answer, we just need to add the answer of step 1 and step 2, which will give us 4900 plus 284, and that is our final answer, that is 5184. 5184 is the square of 72. Try on your calci and you will agree with me. Let's go for another number for squaring, which is ending in 2, that is 142 square. Now this is a 3-digit number. Let's see how we find the answer to 142 times 142. Let's use our method by bringing 142 on spotlight and finding its nearest 10, which is 2 blocks away from 142. So let's consider 142 to be n for our computation. And now, as taught earlier, let's go with our step 1 and step 2 and then we add them together to get the answer. So our step 1 needs us to go to the nearest 10 and then square it. So this will be equal to 142 minus 2, that is 140 square. So that is equal to 140 times 140. So we know the square for numbers ending in 10. So just add the 2 zeros and then it is time for 14 square, which is 196. So your answer to step 1 is 19600. Let's do the step 2, which needs us to add n and n minus 2. That is this and the nearest 10 and then double it. So it's 2 times n plus n minus 2, which is equal to 2 times 142 plus 140. That is 2 times 282, which gives us 564. And now all you need to do is add these answers together, which will give you the final answer of 20,164, which is indeed the square of 142. Try it on the calculator and you'll see. So just to put in summary of the squaring of numbers, we can also include the number 8 because 2 and 8 are similar in their squaring, as both are 2 blocks away from its nearest 10. First, let's summarize the formula for squaring numbers ending in 2, which will comprise of 2 steps and then adding them together, that is n minus 2 square. And now the second step, that is 2 times n plus n minus 2, adding the number ending in 2 and its nearest 10 and then adding these two together. Whereas squaring the numbers ending in 8 would be, the step 1 would be n plus 2 to reach to its nearest 10 and then squaring it. The step 2 will be doubling the sum of n and n plus 2, that is 8 and its closest 10 that we can reach by adding 2. And then we subtract them to get the answer of squares ending in 8. Wasn't this a great tip to remember to do the squares for 2 and 8?
So I hope you liked this session. Please do like and subscribe to this channel and do write into us at funlearningcoach@gmail.com with your suggestions. Till we meet again, take care.